In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to make money using Pinterest. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Pinterest has been helping people locate DIYs, recipes, favorite items, how-tos, and tens of thousands of other random things since 2010. It's both a creative outlet and a marketer's dream, which means you can make money on Pinterest in a variety of ways. But there's a catch when it comes to making money on Pinterest. Pinterest recognizes the platform's potential, and has been actively implementing modifications to safeguard their users' experience. Affiliate marketing, contests, and other aspects of the business have changed. Some people who learned how to make money on Pinterest had to adapt their techniques, but the improvements have been beneficial to all. The content is improving, and everyone is having a more genuine experience. Pinterest is more than just a social networking platform full of Harry Styles fan photos, and dog Halloween costumes, though we're not knocking any of that. It's also a chance to make some substantial money. The business potential is apparent, with 416 million monthly active global users, and over 200 billion saved pins to date. Move on for guaranteed money-making tactics you can start using immediately for businesses, and influencers wishing to monetize their Pinterest channel. Here's a list of the 5 ways to make money using Pinterest. Let's start. Number 5. How to make money on Pinterest with AdSense. Yes, you may make money using Pinterest by showing Google AdSense adverts on your blog. I recommend applying to Google AdSense if you're a new blogger, because they don't require you to have a certain number of page views. They are, however, not the ideal approach to make money because they pay so little. I used to make $50 to $200 a month with Google AdSense and 10,000 to 40,000 monthly page visits. It is beneficial to use Google AdSense, and you can quickly learn how to generate money utilizing Pinterest, as a novice from a variety of sources. When you're a new blogger, you can apply to Ezoic, MyFinance, and other ad networks in addition to AdSense, great for bloggers in the personal finance and money niche. Number 4. Drive traffic to your e-commerce site. Pinterest is a natural opportunity for brands with an e-commerce offering to boost visitors and revenue. Pins can be used to highlight your products, and direct followers back to your website to shop, similar to a digital breadcrumb trail. Put some money behind your pins to increase their reach. Promoted pins can be tailored to achieve a variety of objectives, such as increasing traffic or growing your Pinterest following. Upload eye-catching product photos or use graphic design templates produced by Hootsuite's in-house designers to create unique images. Link these photographs to the relevant product page on your website, if possible, so that followers can buy right away. The fewer clicks a customer has make to complete a purchase, the better. Use smart keywords that characterize or identify the product or style to help Pinterest users find your pin. Use these not only in your pin's description, but also in your profile and, ideally, in your URL. Be descriptive, as this can help your pins appear in Google search results. If you've been meal prepping all week, and have been waiting for anything like this to appear in your life, clicking on the pin will take you straight to Glad's website, where you can purchase some for yourself. Number 3. Partner with a brand. To make money on Pinterest, you don't need a product, or even an affiliate link to a product. You can also sell your audience's access. Once you've built a solid audience, you'll have something valuable that other brands will want. You can't just walk into Lululemon and expect them to hand over some cash. You'll need some actual figures to pique a brand's interest. Collect information about your followers, such as demographics, engagement, shares, and views. When you contact a possible partner, you'll be ready to explain why your target audience is a good fit. Brands may help Pinterest influencers in a variety of ways, including curating a shared board, sponsoring specific pins, and organizing takeovers. With your collaboration ideas, go out to brands who might be interested in your target demographic. Number 2. Write relevant and helpful content. Write 5 to 10 blog posts relating to your niche, that will solve your readers' problems now that you've launched a blog. Take a step back before you begin writing to determine who your target audience is. Don't pick a topic only on the basis of its potential for profit. Sure, things might work out, but can you really continue writing about something you don't care about? You don't want your blog to feel like it's a chore. Always be passionate about what you do. Don't quit your work to pursue your passions if you don't have the financial means to do so. Demonstrate your abilities. What do you excel at? Follow the crowd. What are the most popular searches on Google and Pinterest? Keep in mind that your viewers may require your assistance with something. When people arrive on your page, they'll ask themselves, what's in it for me? All three of these aspects, passion, abilities, and market demand, should be present in your ideal situation. Number 1. Start a blog. There are a lot of things that can help you make money on Pinterest, but writing has the largest earning potential of them all, by a long shot. Pinterest has grown into a major platform that allows bloggers to reach millions of people every year over the internet. There's a prevalent notion that Pinterest is just another social networking platform, like Instagram, TikTok, and others, but this is simply not the case. It's far more effective in terms of assisting bloggers in monetizing their content. The similar thing happens on Pinterest, as you probably found this post by searching for how to make money on Pinterest in Google. It's a search engine, except instead of text, it's based on photographs. This is why bloggers in a variety of areas, from food bloggers to personal finance bloggers, have found great success with Pinterest marketing. Create a Pinterest account, if you don't already have one. Make a pin, i.e. an interesting image that shows what your blog post is about. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.